Hello, my lovers. Welcome to Majid Trading. Today, I will show with you my strategy and how I trade on gold. This is the first video after a lot of training in market gold. So today I will show you my strategy and how I get my trading. 95% you will get the trading. uh, I usually trade on gold or silver, also or trading or in petrol or crude oil in different type like XTE or XPR. Also, I trade in natural gas, but most of time I trade on gold because it's very volatile and it's respect the channel prices. So today I will talk with you my strategy and all my indicators that I used, and in the next episode I will do another video, especially on so any indicator I will do for it a sample video. Like here, don't worry, my friends. I know that you are see a lot of trends and a lot of channels. You are seeing here maybe a lot of colors. It's very simple. It's not difficult. Just focus with me, and in every video I will learn you how to trade. Okay. So for my experience, I use my experience in candlestick, the candlesticks from Japanese. This is called Japanese candlestick. This one on white, this is the bears candlestick, and this in this empty candlestick in green are the bulls candlestick. As you know, the market always there is bulls and there is bears, so we must read carefully our market before to enter in a trade. Also, the first thing that I do when I trade, I don't usually I don't trade on Monday and Friday, because you know Monday is the opening of the market and the Friday is the close of the market. Usually I trade on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Also, before I trade, I see how is the market, what is say. Uh, show here, this one from here to here. This is a day, and from here to here, this is another day. Okay. Uh, the first thing what I do, I see the market in 30 minutes. When I see the market in 30 minutes, I see something. Like here, see with me, the market is obvious that is stable, but in this day, the market is up, and in this day, the market is down. Okay, this is 30 minutes, and it's very important. The next thing that I do, I see the market in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, I will get more details about it. And before I enter to a trade, I always see a signals. What is a signal? Uh, a signal for me is very important because if you read carefully your signals, you will get your trade 100%. My indicators that I use is moving average, this one called the whole moving average, contain blue color with red color. In the other videos, I will do another video, especially on this indicator, this powerful indicator, and I will learn you how to use it. I use two indicators, this one in blue with red, and this one in green with yellow. The second indicator that I use it is the pivot point. This one is called pivot point. In pivot point, you will get the pivot, and you will get three lines that's called resistance and three lines that's called support. Okay. And I use also the volume indicator. I never and ever enter to a trade without using the volume. The volume is very important. The volume means that the market gonna do something. Okay. The fourth indicators is it's very important for me. It's called the RSI. The RSI is an occidental indicator. The RSI is very important. I use it to see the divergence, like here. See here and here is the same bottom. Okay, but when you see the RSI here and here are not the same bottom. Okay, here there is a divergence. When you see divergence, it means the market gonna be up. Okay, gonna be up or down, but in this case it's gonna be up. Here it's up more than here, and there is two bases. So I will tell you uh, in another videos in the future. Every indicator I will do for you a special video about it. Okay, don't worry, my friends. Just tell me in comment in which indicator you want to be start. Okay, as you know, as I said for you that I love to trade in gold because it's respect channel price, especially in this day. This day is 3 August 2022. This is the last week. So here in 2 August, I see a signal. A signal for me is when the market is down and you will see a hammer. This is one called the hammer. I will do a zoom for you. See with me here. Here, this is a hammer. Okay. When we see a small body and a long shadow, this one called the hammer. This is the first signal. After a downtrend, you see a hammer. This is the first signal. And what I see another time, I see the volume. If you see the volume is bigger than the previous times on the day, so this is another signal. And the third one, what I see is this is a strong support. If we see this support in the previous, this support I use it before because I see that is a strong resistance. Look here. Look, before this market is broke this resistance, look, he hit it one time, two time, three time, four time, five time, six time. In the seventh time, he broke this resistance. And when it's broke, it's become a strong support. Okay, this one becomes strong support. And from it's broke this support, it's become strong support. Look, the market here down, and definitely when he hit it, he jumped another time. So this is a signal. And when I see it, I decide to enter here. I have a lot of signals: the shadow of the hammer, the volume, the RSI. Look with me here. There is divergence. If you see with me here, okay, let me show for you. This is look. Here is up, but here is the same bottom. So this is a divergence. Okay. The volume, as I said for you, the volume, and I trade. I enter here, and I wait. When I enter, I make my stop loss under this shadow of the hammer, and my take profit I put them here because I usually I take my profit on the next pivot point. In this day, the pivot point was here in this area. In the next lesson or maybe in the future, I will do for you a video regarding this pivot point and how it's very important. And I tell you how the market calculates this pivot point. Okay. Today I will give you just my strategy and how I enter and how I get my trading sessions. And in the previous episodes, I will do for you more details, but you must tell me in comments in which indicator you want me to start. Okay? So I do I enter here. Look, I enter here in this place, but I still see the market. I see here a bearish engulfing. When you see something like that, this one called a bearish engulfing. This is uh, bear engulf this body of bulls. But after that, what I see another doji. This one called a doji. It's like a star, doji in the bottom with a long shadow. The bulls are trying to up the market. So when I see this another signal, I do another trade. Yes, I am here. I'm sure that the market gonna be up. I do another one here and see what happened. And I go to do my things. After that, these signals are came earlier than the signal of this hill. Look, the hill after that it become up, it's become blue, and the blue hill broke this one. When you see the this blue broke this one, that means the market's gonna be up. Okay, and in the previous I do this channel price. I design it, and I see this that is gonna be up. And as you see with me here, I got this trade successfully. Another trade that I got it is here. Look with me. In 30 minutes, in the previous session, in the last week, here from 4/8 2022 to 5/8 2022. I design this channel price. I see that the market is when you see this channel price like this, don't do anything. We are here to do money, my friend. We are not here to play something. This is three tops, ta 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 pa pa pa. No, we are here to do money, my friend. We are here to see signals. When you see signal, enter, and you will get it. Look, this is channel price. The volume is down. I do nothing, my friend. But I see something here. I see that the 19 hill is broke the 209, and I wait for something. What I see here, I see a big volume. If you remember, I tell you in the last time, I always enter only on when I see the volume. I tried this one to close. What I see after that is a hammer. This one called the hammer, the same strategy as here. What means this? This means squeeze. This means that the bulls try to squeeze the market, and that's what is happened. This is a hammer, and when I see it, definitely directly I enter here in the next session and see what happened. The pop, I get my trade. Okay. So today this is a brief introduction how I trade on gold. In the next episodes, I will do a special video, one of them regarding the candlestick. This is called candlestick. I will learn you how to see candlestick and how to interpret this candlestick, because this candlestick is how is the traders think and how the market think. Okay, and also I will tell you about this one. This is a hill indicator. It's moving average, but it's a good and powerful moving average. I used 2009 and 19. Also I will learn you how to do channel price and see the market. I will tell you also about the pivot point. This is very important. The pivot point will learn for you want to enter and want to take your money. Okay, this is a demo account on MetaTrader 5. I use IC Market. This is a good platform to trade. Okay. See you in next video, my friends. Bye bye.